Uniswap value equivalent to $6.1520 a coin. The present reach, $6.0750. $6.2500. The earlier day close, $6.1510. The change was plus 0.0010, plus 0.02%. Reverse rate, United States dollars to UNA. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at $6.53. Most extreme cost $7.06. Least cost $5.27. The normal for the month $6.32. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $6.43, change for August 1.5%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. Before all else cost at $6.43. Most extreme cost $7.73. Least cost $6.25. The normal for the month $6.78. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $6.72. Change for September 4.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at $6.72. Most extreme cost $8.35. Least cost $6.72. The normal for the month $7.40. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $7.80. Change for October 16.1%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $7.80. Greatest cost $8.76. Least cost $7.62. The normal for the month $8.09. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.19. Change for November 5.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at $8.19. Most extreme cost $8.19. Least cost $7.01. The normal for the month $7.73. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $7.54. Change for December 7.9%. UNI to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. In the first place cost at $7.54. Greatest cost $7.54. Least cost $6.31. The normal for the month $7.05. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $6.79. Change for January 9.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at $6.79. Greatest cost $6.79. Least cost $5.90. The normal for the month $6.46. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $6.34. Change for February 6.6%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $6.34. Greatest cost $6.71. Least cost $5.83. The normal for the month $6.29. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $6.27. Change for spring 1.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at $6.27. Most extreme cost $7.78. Least cost $6.27. The normal for the month $6.90. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.27. Change for April 15.9%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. In the first place cost at $7.27. Greatest cost $7.27. Least cost $5.96. The normal for the month $6.73. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $6.41. Change for May 11.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $6.41. Greatest cost $6.41. Least cost $5. The normal for the month $5.80. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.38. Change for June 16.1%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset cost at $5.38. Most extreme cost $6.20. Least cost $5.38. The normal for the month $5.69. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.79. Change for July 7.6%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $5.79. Greatest cost $6.53. Least cost $5.67. The normal for the month $6.02. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $6.10. Change for August 5.4%. UNI to United States dollars expectations for September 2025. In the first place, cost at $1.98. Greatest cost $2.46. Least cost $1.98. The normal for the month $2.18. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $2.30. Change for September 16.2%. United States dollars to Uniswapping scale equivalent to 0.1625 Uniswaps per $1. The present reach 0.1600, 0.1646. The earlier days nearby 0.1626. Change for now 0.0001. 0.06%. United States dollars to UNA expectations for August 2023. To start with, cost at 0.153 Uniswaps. Greatest cost 0.190. Least 0.142. The normal for the month 0.160. The United States dollars to UNA conjecture toward the month's end 0.156. Change for August 2.0%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for September 2023. Before all else, cost at 0.156 Uniswaps. Most extreme cost 0.160. Least 0.129. The normal for the month 0.149. The United States dollars to UNA conjecture toward the month's end 0.149. Change for September 4.5%. United States dollars to UNA expectations for October 2023. Initially cost at 0.149 Uniswaps. Most extreme cost 0.149. Least 0.120. The normal for the month 0.137. The United States dollars to UNA conjecture toward the month's end 0.128. Change for October 14.1%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for November 2023. Before all else, cost at 0.128 Uniswaps. Most extreme cost 0.131. Least 0.114. The normal for the month 0.124. The United States dollars to UNA gauge toward the month's end 0.122. Change for November 4.7%. United States dollars to UNA expectations for December 2023. In the first place, cost at 0.122 Uniswaps. Greatest cost 0.143. Least 0.122. The normal for the month 0.130. The United States dollars to UNA estimate toward the month's end 0.133. Change for December 9.0%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for January 2024. To start with, cost at 0.133 Uniswaps. Greatest cost 0.158. Least 0.133. The normal for the month 0.143. The United States dollars to UNA conjecture toward the month's